So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Carnival Cruise Line stock or Carnival stock, ticker symbol CCL in Canada using Questrade. So once Questrade's opened up, I want you to either go to the top right and the magnifying glass icon, or just scroll down, go where it says buy and sell, and press on that. Then, as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol CCL for Carnival Cruise Line. At the top here it says Carnival Corp, press on that. Now once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on buy, and then once you're here, you can either select the type of order through share quantity or dollar amount. So if I wanted to go $21 USD, for instance, a little bit over the price, you can confirm the transaction by going to the bottom, pressing on the green next button, and then following the steps this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy at Carnival Cruise Line stock, ticker symbol CCL in Canada using Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.